morning guys. Today I'm gonna cook sausage menudo. Okay, so we need soy sauce, salt, black pepper, menudo sauce, carrots and potatoes, water, hot dog, and then the sausages, garlic, spring onions, tomatoes, white onions, and then the bell pepper. Okay, we're gonna saute the garlic. And then the onions. And then tomatoes. And then the bell pepper and the spring onions, guys. Okay. Add the potatoes and carrots first. Okay, then stop. Then I add the menudo sauce, guys. And then simmer for how many minutes, guys? And we'll be right back. Guys, it's tasting time. I'm gonna garnish it with green onion. And then, where's the pepper? Okay. Okay guys, so that's our sausage menudo. It's done. Okay, I'm gonna taste it. It's yummy, guys. Okay guys, it's super yummy. Okay guys, so that's our sausage menudo is done. Okay, if you need more recipes, please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Bruja, to my Instagram, The_Bro_Ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show, and to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching!